Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. We're here at the Amelia Concours, and I'm so excited to talk about this vehicle. It's headed to Lafayette Ford in North Carolina. It's a dealership, and it's going to be sitting in the showroom next to a 64.5 Mustang. Now, most people are just going overboard about this paint color. It sparkles. It's a different color every direction you look, and people would say that's the best part. I can guarantee you're going to say the interior is even better. Let's go take a look. This leather is just going to exude that wonderful smell. It has a low back seat, two-tone leather, C-deck flooring, 4-point family roll bar, and our convertible top at the push of a button. That's 2 patents, 1 top, the push of a button. Now, we are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give us a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.